Hello guys. Ito guys, yung aking food today. Actually, snacks yan guys. Chicken. Chicken siya guys. Boneless. And yung aking fries na may catsup. So, ayan siya guys. And then, anuhan natin ng ketchup. Merienda din kayo guys. While you have time kasi. Di ba guys? Ito pa. Mamaya na nga yan. So, yun lang guys. And, meron tayong, by the way guys, ang aking ring, clover leaf. Lucky ring siya guys. And, yung aking iced tea. Ayan, iced tea guys. Complete meal na ako. Yun lang. And, by the way pala, meron pa guys. So, ayan pa guys. Okay, yun lang guys. Kain na kayo guys. Merienda. Ba yan? Tagal naman maano. So, yun lang guys. Ayan. Kain na.